I am differentiate the weld symbol ASME as well as ISO. ASME use standard code AWS A2.4 and here ISO use ISO 2553. This is a standard code. Here AWS weld symbol having only one solid line, and if weld symbol is situated below this solid line, then it means welding is done near the arrow line. And here if weld symbol is situated above the solid line, then it means welding is done far side from the arrow line. While ISO having solid line as well as dash line. So if weld symbol is situated on the solid line and here dotted line, it not mean about the weld symbol is above the dash line or below the dash line. If solid line having, then it means near the arrow side, near the arrow line or arrow side welding is done. And here if weld symbol is dash or situated on dash line, it not meaning about downside of the dash line or above the dash line. It means welding is done far side of the arrow line.